Your plant's performance, uptime, and the reliability of your instrumentation are on the line. That's why Emerson's measurement lifecycle services are strengthened by our growing global service network, supporting customers worldwide with world-class capabilities. Our expert technicians use OEM materials, and our procedures for everything from calibration and rapid repairs to advanced instrumentation diagnostics ensure every device meets the highest standards. And when you need to return a product, our streamlined RMA process and rapid fulfillment for off-the-shelf parts help keep your operations moving without delay. We also invest in your teams. We offer customized classes in our interactive plant environments, online or at your site. Our educational services provide hands-on learning that builds confidence. And throughout every service, safety remains at the core of our culture, helping protect your people and keeping your facility compliant. Wherever you operate, Emerson's local teams deliver trusted, expert support so you can focus on performance, not problems. With decades of experience and a global service footprint, our global service centers empower you to operate smarter, safer, and more sustainably. Visit our website to learn more.